There's a little plastic tab here on this side, so you're going to pull up and pull. There's a little hook edge on this back edge, and this whole bow will come away from the glass itself all the way down to this corner where it's got another little post on this side. The new piece, we're going to fit the tweeter in. I'll show you what that looks like because I'm going to have to fit the new Alpha 1 tweeter in here. You're going to want to unplug both. And in your case, with a hi-fi system, you're only going to have one plug. So I'm going to take this out, and then I'm going to peel this back, and I'll show you replacing the tweeter next. And there you can see these little clips where this clips into place to the plastic. If you pulled the original off, here's what the new one looks like. There's no reason why you couldn't put the tweeter in place, while it's off the car and then fit it all in. The tweeter's just going to snap in, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. There's just little tabs that just snap and hold it all into place. And then there is a foam cover that goes in over the top of that. You can see where the cable routes out and then routes down through the foam to come down here to connect to the mid. So I'm going to install the mid in all three places. The last thing you're also going to want to do is you have your original line from your head unit right here. These come with filters. So you're going to want to install the filter into the original line. This plugs into one side of those mid plugs. It doesn't matter which one. And then your tweeter will plug into the other. Let me get my tweeter in here. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so as you can see, the tweeter is in. I'm going to put the foam over the top of that. The cable will come out through the bottom of the foam and out through the bottom of the plastic. Will work its way down and plug into the other side of the mid right here, which is just secured with those 3 screws. Like I said, this is an easy install. So go ahead and get this all secure. Go ahead and get this new trim back into place. Fit it around the window edge and into these little clips, and that will be good to go.